This is my off-center log cabin. Now we've done a log cabin before and I really like the pattern, but I really love this. I like that the center is pulled off to one side. Now how do you do it? You basically use the same technique, only you have to keep something in mind. Half of this entire block is made up of thinner strips. So the key to this is you need to have some strips of 2.5-inch strip fabric and cut some that are 1.5 inches. That is the whole key to this. Now to really make this go round and round, because a log cabin, you know, we go from one side to the other, rotating out and out and out. 8 of these strips are going to come from your 1.5-inch strip fabric, okay? And 6 of them will come from the 2.5-inch. So if you can remember that, you can do this block. Now I'm going to kind of cheat because I'm going to look at this one as I lay this out. We start with our center, and then look, we lay this here, sew those two together, and then we measure what is left because that tells us the size of the next piece, right? So that would be this piece. And then we measure what this ends up being, and that's the size of our next piece down here. And you can see as we build this out, we're going to get the off-center log cabin look. So it's really cool, and of course these don't match up now because of our seam allowances. It'll pull it all together. That's the trick to all that. All in all, when all is said and done, you're going to end up using 12 strips of fabric. I've got 12 plus the center. So this is it. You piece those together. I like the off-center log cabin better than I like the regular, and I'm a fan of the regular. So I hope you will give this one a go. Follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And as always, happy sewing.